Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across a VCRUNTIME140.dll is missing error on your Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and you just need to search for Visual C++ redistributable distributable 2015. Press enter. Comes up Microsoft official website, click on it, select the language, click on this drop down, and after selecting it, select download and download it. You just need to select the 64-bit and select download. After getting download done, click on it and install it. Select I agree to the license term and conditions, select install. Setup failed. I already installed this before, that's why I'm getting this. You can install without any problems guys. After getting installed done, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. But if you're still having issue, then you just need to open up Chrome. You just need to search for VC runtime 140.dll. Press enter. Comes up dllfiles.com. You just need to click on it. You just need to scroll down. Under here you can able to see the 64 version of it. You just need to click on the download option and download it guys. Wait for it. Download start now. After getting download done, click on this show in folder. Now you just need to double click on this WinRAR, and now you just need to drag and drop this DLL file to desktop. I just copied in desktop. You just need to now open up File Explorer and select this PC. You just need to double click on the local disk C, and now double click on the Windows, and now you just need to double click on the System32 folder. You just need to double click on it, and in here you just need to drag and drop this DLL file into System32. Move to System32. You just need to drag and drop it and select continue. And after doing it, close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.